Piranha, one of the most feared fish in the world. Its name instantly brings to mind razor-sharp teeth, blood in the water, and frenzied attacks. But the truth? It's far more fascinating and far less like a horror movie. Piranhas are native to the rivers of South America, especially the Amazon, Orinoco, and Paraná basins. There are over 30 known species of piranha, and believe it or not all of them are meat eaters. Some are omnivores. A few even eat plants and seeds. The average piranha grows to about 6 to 12 inches long, but some species can reach up to 20 inches. Their bodies are compact and muscular, built for speed and power. Their jaws are strong, and their teeth are triangular, sharp, and interlock perfectly, like nature's scissors. So are piranhas actually dangerous? Yes, but not in the way movies suggest. Piranhas rarely attack humans. Most of the time, they only become aggressive when food is scarce, during droughts, or if they're stressed. Otherwise, they keep to themselves. In normal conditions, piranhas feed on smaller fish, insects, crustaceans, and even fruits or seeds that fall into the water. Many species are scavengers, not hunters. They clean up dead and decaying animals, helping to keep the rivers healthy. Now let's talk about group behavior. Piranhas often move in schools, not to hunt, but to protect themselves from predators. However, if food is limited and competition rises, they can swarm and shred their prey in seconds. That's where their reputation comes from. One of the most shocking facts? Their bite force. Piranhas have one of the strongest bites relative to their size of any vertebrate on Earth. A full-grown piranha can crush bone with a single bite, but even piranhas have predators. River dolphins, large birds, caimans, and yes, humans, all feed on them. In fact, local people in the Amazon catch and eat piranhas regularly. They fry, smoke, or even dry them for later. Despite their scary reputation, piranhas play a key role in the river ecosystem. As scavengers, they help prevent disease by consuming dead animals. Without them, rotting carcasses could pollute the water. Some people even keep piranhas in aquariums, but they're not easy pets. They need big tanks, specific conditions, and a protein-rich diet. And if they're not well fed, they may turn on each other. There have also been cases where piranhas were introduced to non-native environments, like parts of China or the US, leading to ecological concerns. Even a few released piranhas can unbalance a local ecosystem. In popular culture, piranhas are often portrayed as killing machines. From horror films to cartoons, they're shown as relentless, bloodthirsty predators. But real science paints a more balanced picture. Yes, they have powerful jaws. Yes, they can be aggressive. But most of the time, they're just fish trying to survive. Here's another cool fact. Piranhas can make sounds. When threatened, they produce growls, clicks, and thumping noises, kind of like drums underwater. These sounds help them communicate or warn others. Scientists have also discovered that piranhas are less active at night. They tend to rest in deep or dark areas, sticking together and conserving energy. Not exactly the 24/7 hunters you'd expect. One of the strangest features? Their teeth fall out in complete sets and regrow over time. That's right. Their entire row of teeth can be replaced. It's like having a natural backup system for their deadly smile. At the end of the day, piranhas are misunderstood. They're not monsters. They're complex creatures with unique behaviors, crucial roles in their habitats, and a biology that still amazes scientists. So next time you hear the word piranha, don't just think of blood and terror. Think of evolution, adaptation, and survival. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.